Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to go over one of the updates that we've made in version 4.6.24. We're up to 4.6.24L now. And just wanted to go over this one real quick. Underneath Forms, Work Orders List, we have the ability to search any of the fields now for keywords or for word patterns. So if we were to search for the word air here, and we're going to search not in the equipment number for that, but we want to search the short description. It's going to find everything with the word air, including repair. So the word air falls within the word repair. So if I wanted to find an exact match, I could click that. And it doesn't show anything with just the word air, right? So we go back, and a wildcard match is the same as a default match, so it finds the word within something else. So if I were to actually put a space in front of the word air here and click search, it's going to take out everything. It's going to take out where the word air is within another word, prefixed by something else, right? So that's one way to take care of that issue. And then if we go over, and we can also search, say we want to search airbag, right? And we're going to search, and we have the ability to search for not just short description, but detailed description. We can search for part number, part description, labor personnel, labor description, or any description, which will include the labor description, the personnel, part description, part number, detailed description, short description. It'll include any of those fields if we just do the any, if you want to search in there. And so there we have airbag as a wildcard. So in all of these work orders, and we can see here the results of our search gave us 21 different work orders, and the total cost is $4,000 for all the work orders that included an airbag replacement or repair of some kind. And so what you can do is do the same thing with certain tire information, or for part numbers, or for whatever you want, or for labor personnel, for example, if you wanted to see all the work orders that a specific personnel fleet technician did, you could search for that information, and then you can also see the total costs involved and the labor costs down here. So it's the labor, miscellaneous, parts, materials, discounts, taxes, and then your grand totals. All right, and so we've also added the ability to search for multiple different fields in the same way on the work order tab itself. All right, hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care.